In just about a year, the world's attention has turned squarely to artificial intelligence. ChatGPT's release wasn't just a headline, it was a beacon, shining light on the huge amount of innovation happening within the AI space. And while we all watched in awe, and other big names like Google and Microsoft raced to catch up, Nvidia was in the driver's seat, fueling the entire race and transforming itself from a recognized name into an industry titan with a mind-blowing trillion-dollar valuation. On May 25th of this year, the company shocked the entire world when its stock price went up 24%, adding a record-breaking $184 billion to its market valuation in a single day. That's more than the entire GDPs of countries like Croatia and Slovenia combined, in just one day. And if all that wasn't enough, stay tuned to find out how it's reportedly on a trajectory to surpass Apple and become the world's most valuable company. Now I know you're wondering, how in the hell did Nvidia get here? And what does this monopoly mean for us or the future of AI? Well, get ready, because we're about to elevate your understanding of the silicon juggernaut. The year is 1993. Graphics and computers are, well, basic. But in a corner of Silicon Valley, three colleagues at Sun Microsystems, Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem, were brewing a storm. The three were regulars at Denny's restaurant in San Jose, and they would often meet there to chill, grab a bite, and talk money. One day, in '93, the three founders were sitting in their usual booth at Denny's, chopping it up, when their casual conversation took a pivotal turn, and they daydreamed about a chip that was fast, powerful, and wouldn't break the bank. Well, they scratched that last part eventually, but napkins turned into sketch pads, whiteboards were filled with designs, and between bites, they tackled technical roadblocks and business strategies. By the time the year wrapped, not only had they outlined the blueprint for their new venture, but they'd also named it Nvidia. Imagine brainstorming a trillion-dollar idea over a meal. If you've ever had an aha moment during a casual meetup, share your story in the comments below. Fast forward a few years, and Nvidia launched the Riva 128 in 1997, the first consumer-level GPU that brought 3D graphics out of movie theaters and into our homes. By 1999, the company was on the brink, having let go of most of its staff. Yet, Nvidia bounced back with the GeForce 256 and emerged as the GPU titan, proclaiming its prowess to the world in pretty much 7 years. But as the new millennium dawned, they had their eyes on another prize. While the 2000s solidified Nvidia as a gaming powerhouse, they saw something most didn't: a new frontier, artificial intelligence. After realizing the similarity between graphics computations and AI processes, Nvidia made a gamble, positioning their GPUs as AI workhorses. As ChatGPT and its kind stormed onto the scene in 2022, giants like Google and Microsoft found themselves running on Nvidia's tracks, showcasing how Nvidia had strategically positioned itself at the AI epicenter. Did you foresee GPUs becoming so pivotal in AI development back in the early 2000s? And as the AI narrative unfolds, let's revisit some of the most important moments that propelled Nvidia to its vanguard position today. 2006. Nvidia unveils the Compute Unified Device Architecture, CUDA, a pivotal software toolkit that facilitated more efficient utilization of GPUs for non-graphics computations, particularly benefiting AI applications and research. CUDA enables Nvidia's GPUs to execute parallel computations, allowing them to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, contrasting with the traditional serial computation approach. The performance boost it provided set the stage for Nvidia's dominance in the AI acceleration space. 2010. The Fermi GPU architecture is launched, becoming Nvidia's first architecture that heavily targets computational capabilities and solidly moves GPUs into the realm of general-purpose GPU computing. Fermi introduces a substantial increase in CUDA cores and unveils new features that enhance its programmability and flexibility for computational workloads. Two NVIDIA GTX 580 GPUs based on the Fermi architecture are used to train and deploy a state-of-the-art deep convolutional neural network named AlexNet. In 2012, AlexNet decisively decimates its competition in the ImageNet large-scale visual recognition contest and is subsequently remembered as AI's Big Bang moment. 2012. The Kepler GPU architecture emerged as monumental, skillfully building upon Fermi's computational capabilities and notably enhancing CUDA, which by this time was widely utilized for deep learning and various parallel computing tasks. Kepler was particularly pivotal in terms of energy efficiency, introducing technologies such as GPU Boost, allowing it to dynamically adjust its clock speed to maximize performance within a specified power target. GPUs like the K10, K20, and K40 under the Kepler architecture were among the most popular for deep learning applications. 2014. Maxwell GPU architecture emerges, providing notable advancements in energy efficiency and computational power, and becoming a popular choice among AI researchers and enthusiasts. This year also sees the introduction of the CUDA Deep Neural Network Library, designed to streamline the use of CUDA-capable GPUs for deep learning, including those based on the Maxwell architecture. In 2015, the Maxwell architecture build Titan X is launched, becoming a favored tool among AI practitioners and playing a notable role in democratizing AI. 2016, Nvidia introduces the Pascal GPU architecture, grabbing headlines and making significant waves in the deep learning community with its enhanced CUDA cores, remarkable memory bandwidth, and mixed precision arithmetic. The architecture supports major deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. The mighty power of Pascal was not only evidenced in research labs, but also in powerhouse supercomputers like Switzerland's PIZ Daint, which employed Pascal's P100 GPUs for rigorous simulations and analyses. The same year saw Nvidia launch the DGX-1, a deep learning supercomputer built on the P100 GPUs. With an initial price tag of $129,000, the DGX-1 underscored a monumental stride in AI development, representing not only a formidable system in its own right, but also an exhilarating glimpse into the future of AI. 2018, Nvidia's Turing blends the worlds of gaming and AI, bringing real-time ray tracing into the limelight. For gamers, it was a game changer, literally. Just think of how it elevated the graphics in 2020's Cyberpunk 2077. Outside gaming, Turing powers AI-driven applications, serving professionals in the creative industry, enhancing data center workloads, and facilitating breakthroughs in image recognition and machine translation. 2020, a year full of power moves for Nvidia, introducing not just impactful technologies, but also expanding its wings in the tech world. First, the Ampere GPU architecture steps into the scene with its snazzy third-generation Tensor cores, which sped through AI and machine learning tasks like a dream. But Nvidia didn't stop there. It also sealed a whopping $7 billion deal to snatch up the data center chip company Mellanox, amplifying its capabilities in data center tech. Now let's talk about the A100 GPU. It is the first to roll out based on the Ampere architecture, and specifically crafted for those hefty AI and ML workloads. Its impact on the AI industry? Massive. Google snapped up thousands of A100 GPUs to power up AI models for search, translation, and image recognition. Microsoft grabbed them by the thousands too, boosting models for Office, Azure, and Bing. Amazon used them to supercharge AI models for Alexa, Prime, and AWS. Facebook leveraged them to optimize AI for its newsfeed, Messenger, and Instagram. And Tesla? Yep, they jumped on the bandwagon to elevate their self-driving car tech. And while each A100 GPU came with a price tag of around $10,000, big tech giants didn't blink an eye and invested billions on billions collectively. All these moves solidified Nvidia's already towering presence in the AI and ML market. Hit the like button. If you've been keeping tabs on Nvidia's GPU launches over the years, this was definitely a highlight reel moment. 2022. To meet the growing demands of AI and machine learning applications, Nvidia takes the wraps off the hopper, its latest GPU architecture, which is optimized for developing, training, and deploying generative AI, large language models, and recommender systems. The H100 is the flagship GPU, based on the Hopper architecture. Nvidia claims it offers up to 30x faster performance versus the prior generation A100. It is likely the most powerful GPU ever created, and it is used in a wide range of AI and machine learning applications, including natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Nvidia isn't journeying through the AI journey alone. Its alliances with other tech giants also play a significant role in magnifying its influence in the AI world. Take the Google Cloud Platform, for instance. It's offering Nvidia's GPUs along with Google's TPUs, bringing top-tier AI training and inference to the table. Then there's Microsoft, teaming up with Nvidia to not only craft new AI technologies, but also to bring AI closer to businesses, providing tools like the Azure Machine Learning SDK and Nvidia AI Enterprise Software Suite for developers. And let's not overlook Amazon Web Services. They're deploying cloud platforms optimized for hefty AI workloads. Think Amazon EC2 P3 instances and Amazon SageMaker. Not just that, AWS also throws in a range of software tools and libraries into the mix, like the AWS DeepRacer service and the Amazon SageMaker, making AI development smoother and more accessible. It's like a tech power alliance, and Nvidia's right there threading it all together. While Nvidia's remarkable ascent in the semiconductor universe seems unstoppable, it isn't devoid of its share of clouds. A big chunk of Nvidia's meteoric rise involves significant investments from powerhouse companies like Microsoft and Google, leveraging its GPUs for AI model training and inference. But they are aware of the heavy reliance on Nvidia's technology, and several of these firms, like Google with its TPUs, and Apple with its M1 and M2 chips, have embarked on developing their own processing units, aiming to control escalating machine learning costs amid the fluctuating economic climate. On the geopolitical front, Nvidia navigates through an intricate web of challenges. With a substantial presence in China and business ties with Russia, the company finds itself in a delicate position amidst US-China tensions, with potential impact on TSMC and the conflict in Ukraine, each harboring its own set of trade and diplomatic complexities. Comment down below how you think geopolitical tensions might impact AI and the global tech industry further. Facing the challenges head-on, Nvidia is pumping serious money into research and development to stay on the cutting edge. They're not just adding to their product lineup, but also setting their sights on fresh markets. While Nvidia's name in the AI industry has often been synonymous with powerful hardware for top-notch AI apps and gaming experiences, they've been quietly cultivating their AI-as-a-service business component too. With newer cloud-based offers like the DGX Cloud and Omniverse Cloud services, Nvidia is able to provide access to its powerful DGX supercomputer systems, AI frameworks, pre-trained models, and AI software all wrapped up in a subscription-based service. Not only are these services more accessible and scalable, but they also offer a more wallet-friendly alternative to traditional on-site AI infrastructure, making them likely hits with businesses, big and small. By carving out a space and already flaunting leadership in the AI-as-a-service realm, Nvidia is strategically positioned to improve its profit margins and attract higher valuation multiples, similar to Microsoft's success with subscription-based business models. In addition to its leadership position in advanced processing hardware, Nvidia is building a competitive advantage by generating valuable data through its AI-as-a-service offerings. This data helps inform and improve the company's own AI capabilities, creating a network effect and virtuous cycle that could be difficult for competitors to disrupt. On top of smart business strategies, Nvidia is a leader in the AI and deep learning market, and these markets are expected to balloon in the coming years. According to Insider Intelligence, Bank of America reports AI to be having an iPhone moment, with the AI market expected to add a brain-freezing $15 trillion to the world economy by 2030. All of these factors combined are letting some speculate that it is on the path to take over Apple, which currently lounges somewhere around a cool $2.9 trillion valuation, and become the most valued company in the world in the few years to come. However, it's quite too early to say whether Nvidia will be able to claim the spot for itself at some point over the next 10 years. But it's certainly within the realm of feasibility. What's your take? Do you think Nvidia will be able to take over the #1 spot? Share your thoughts down below. From its beginnings in Denny's restaurant to becoming a titan in the world of AI and semiconductors, Nvidia's journey has been nothing short of inspirational. But this story is far from over. As technology relentlessly surges forward, giants will rise, records will shatter, and innovations will redefine boundaries. The question then becomes, how will you be a part of this journey? For those captivated by this tale of technology, power, and ambition, stay curious. Technology waits for no one. Delve deeper, question more, and be at the forefront of understanding and application. And for the savvy investors among you, read the trends, do your due diligence, and make informed choices. The age of AI is here, and giants like Nvidia are shaping its narrative. But remember, the story is as much theirs as it could be yours. Big thanks for diving deep into Nvidia's fascinating journey with us. If you enjoyed the video, do hit that like button and share it around. Crafting these videos takes a lot of effort, and your support means the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI and tech tales. Till next time.
Oh shit.